And in 1884, we are officially annexed into the Qing dynasty. That is the first time where you get the name Xinjiang, which literally means new land, new border, new frontier. And up until this day, today, it's known as the Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. We are only autonomous by name. There's no autonomy to it. So to refer to the Uyghurs or our homeland as Xinjiang would be the equivalent to referring as Palestine as Israel. I'd like to call it as Chinese occupied East Turkestan. We do not recognize China as a whole, just the same way as Tibetans don't recognize that themselves as Chinese, or Southern Mongolians we do not recognize as being part of China. So the moment that you mention East Turkestan or you call for East Turkestan, you're immediately labeled as a separatist. Well, to be a separatist, you would have to be part of that nation first. We're not trying to separate from China. We are separate from China.
Soqton sadechin sep bolup dizildik qayta qaytadi şu tarix bir kun